Hey queens and kings, it's your girl Shontia Love, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, I'm excited for this look. This is one of my go-to looks for anytime I do like a rose gold glitter. Like, I love to just finish it with a little smoky eye and crease, you feel me? So I'm calling this like a rose gold cut crease, a smoky eye. You know, something like that along those lines. So the products I used today were the MakeupShalya Perception Palette. I'm sorry if you guys are getting like sick of this palette, but I mean, I'm not. So, you know, there's just so many looks you can do with it. But the good news is it's bomb. And also the other good news is I'm using MAC, this copper rose gold. It's called Copper Sparkle A16. So I bought this years ago, at least 2 years ago, and it's lasted me for a very long time. It's my favorite rose gold ever. It's so poppin', pigmented, everything. You just need a little bit of it and it goes a long, long way. So I really love this product. MAC be extra pricey, but it be worth it when you buy MAC products, at least from my experience. So yeah, without further ado, we're about to get into this look. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. And I hope you guys don't think I'm naked. I mean, I got on a bikini today, okay? It is the summertime, so yes, it's a cute little bikini, you hear me? Okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's get straight into it. So I already got started on this look. I did one eye, so I know I probably look a little bit crazy, but I didn't know what I wanted to do today. I knew I wanted to film. I just was like, what should I do? So I decided to do a rose gold smoky eye. So it's like, it's a cut crease with rose gold with a little smoky finish on this side. So I'm gonna take the Perception palette from MakeupShalya, okay? And I'm gonna use, what's it called? Culture for my transition color. So I'm gonna use this color for my transition. I'm gonna apply that in my crease. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of Played Out, which is this color here. Okay, take Played Out, and I'm gonna take a different eyeshadow brush and apply just a little bit of amount so I can put this in my crease as well. And with anything dark, especially anything dark, I like to build up. I never try to apply a lot at once because you're not trying to look crazy out here. So I just take a little bit and tap it on all over the crease. Okay. Back and forth, back and forth. Now I'm gonna blend this out. Ooh. And honestly, this look does not take long. It does not take long to achieve or do. The great thing is I can always go in and apply more after I put the rose gold. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my black Opal foundation stick in the color Rich Caramel. Okay, and I'm gonna apply that on my eyelid just to help me cut my crease for the rose gold. So I'm gonna take a little bit, apply that right on my eyelid. Okay. And now I'm gonna take a concealer brush and put a little bit of the Rich Caramel from the black Opal on the brush. And make sure I cut my crease, you know, as neatly as possible. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my glitter glue from e.l.f. So this lasts a very long time. You don't need much. So I got this also from Amazon. So I'm going to take a little bit of the e.l.f. glue and put that right on top of where I put the concealer. Okay, and just spread that all over my lid. Okay, Copper Sparkle, and it's so bomb. I love this stuff. I've had this, I would say, easily for 2 years. Easily 2 years, maybe more, maybe less, but it's lasted me for so long. It was pricey. I can't remember. I remember just thinking like, dang, that much for a glitter, but it's been lasting me this long, so it's definitely worth it. And it's from MAC. So I'm gonna take one of my flat brushes that I love to use for any glitter that I apply to my eyes. Generous amount to my brush, and then I'm gonna tap it on. Okay, I'm just gonna tap this on. And it's normal to have fallout with any loose glitter, but I mean, I just go in and clean it up later. So I'm tapping that all over my lid. I mean, you guys, look at this color. Get into it. Yes, glitter. Yes. Get into it. Okay. So I applied one layer, but I'm gonna go in and apply a little bit more, because I mean, why not? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up all this fallout, because it gotta go. Take one of my makeup wipes and just wipe it off. And sometimes you'll get some of your glitter on top of your crease, and if you want to clean that up, you can just go right back in with the plate out and apply it on top of the glitter to kind of just like blend it out, you know? You want to make that crease still be a crease. Let me make sure. Clean it up. So I'm just blending that glitter out. And I like to blend the glitter out a little bit just so I don't have a harsh, super harsh line, you know? So blending it out looks better to me. So now what I'm doing is I'm just making sure both sides are even. You know, that the rose gold looks the same on both sides and that my smoky eye looks the same on both sides. Like, I don't, you gotta make sure it matches, you guys. Get into that. What time is it? Whew. I gotta go, y'all. Okay, so I applied my eyeshadow on my eyes, and now what I'm gonna do is apply my foundation, my highlight, and my contour off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I did my foundation and I set my face, and I also put on my eyelashes. Now all of this information will be below of all of the products I use on my face, so don't worry, I got y'all. So now what I'm going to do is go back into the Perception palette and take some of that plate out and put it on my lower lash line. That looks cute. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. This is so cute, you guys. So I'm gonna use that same flat brush that I used to do the rose gold, because it still has a lot of rose gold left on it, and I'm gonna make sure I apply it in my ear dot, or my apply it in my eye dot. What am I talking about? Or my tear dot. You guys, I can't speak today. I don't know how to talk. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that rose gold in my tear dot just to make it pop. This look is fire. So now what I'm gonna do is take some of my Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. This one right here, this bad boy right here. Okay, and apply it on my lower lash line just a little bit. This is that cute. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is do my lips, and I'm thinking I'm gonna just play it safe because this is summertime. Usually in the fall and winter I would definitely do a dark look, but I'm about to be out with my homegirl and catch up a little bit, so I want to do a light lip today. So I'm going to use the Simma Sis, or Come On Sis, from MakeupShalya, the ColourPop collection, because you can't go wrong with this color. It's a nice cute color, and I'm gonna outline my lips first with this brown pencil. You also can't go wrong with brown, especially for my chocolate women out there. Ooh. Now I gotta apply my highlighters. So what I'm gonna do first is spray my face with the NYX Dewy Finish. Okay, I love this stuff. I'm gonna be using this. Oh, let it. There we go. Okay. So now I'm gonna spray this all over my face and then apply my highlight, and then I'm gonna be pretty much done. So I'm gonna take that ginger snap. You guys already know that's my favorite. Apply it on my cheekbone. Right above it. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Rose gold cut crease smoky eye. Get into it.